This is a tutorial of operating welding node. First, open the existed TM flow project with predefined parameters. In the main flow, there is a simple loop function for multi-layer that will be shown later. Switch to the Add Path Here flow. We can add couple of welding points here. Click Point button at the flange to record the move point, that is, non-welding point. For the welding point, click Gripper button to start welding. The created node will mark in yellow. Hold Gripper button again to end welding. Different welding parameters could be selected like weaving and multi-layer. Now we can run the sample project with B mode. That is, path without real welding. The parameters on the display page during running could be modified as you want. The robot will perform weaving with 3 layers, welding with a little offset on each layer. Also, speed is adjustable during running. Now it's second layer, with 5 mm offset in Z direction. Third layer, also the last layer, with 5 mm offset in X direction. The dry run is finished. Now we can switch to A mode and start real welding. But in this tutorial, we're not going to turn the welder, so there won't be real arc. Robot will perform the same path but with real arc action if we turn on the welder. That is the basic operation of welding node. Thank you for watching.